Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 11 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is kind of by using the contacts, so the numbers which you've got currently saved, and the other is kind of manual. Of course, I'll show you both. And let's begin with your contacts. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then pick the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap. As you can see here, we've got the option block numbers, so simply tap on it and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me tap on block, and as you can see it is notified right here that it is blocked. We've got also this characteristic icon. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on our blacklist. So now the second way of blocking the number, which is kind of manual, I would say, and here in this way it doesn't really matter if you're on the contacts, recent or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. So everything went fine and we successfully blocked it. What's more, I said that here in this way it is more manual to block a number, because here we have to tap on add phone number and here we can enter it. So you don't have to have it saved on your contacts. Just tap on block if you're ready, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, we've got the option unknown, and after tapping on this switcher you can activate it, so your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be quite useful sometimes. Of course you can turn it off the same way, and if you want to unblock the numbers, nothing easier, just tap on this X button right next to it. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your OnePlus 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.